18 June 1956 what happened, and what has started from there is what we are today. We enjoy the freedom because of all that our freedom fighters, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia had done. The revolution which started on 18 June is something which gave us independence a couple of years later. But it is very important today to value that independence and freedom that we have had. We have had our people who have been freedom fighters, who have sacrificed their families, their lives, stayed in jail, fought, lost lives. And I think that is something which we need to have it in us and pass it to the next generation. We come here to pay homage. Importantly is to pay tributes to the sacrifices of the freedom fighters and also ensure that this inculcates in the next generation to know what the value of freedom is, what the value of independence is, so that we are judiciously using it to build a new India our Prime Minister is envisaging or has a vision for, and our government under Pramod Sawant is wanting to take a lot of things ahead in terms of ensuring all-round development of Goa in terms of infrastructure and human development.
फ्रीडम फायटरनी नाराजी सुद्धा व्यक्त केली की त्यांची कामं झाली नाहीत अजून, काही किल्ल्यांवर दारूचं हे करतायत, त्याच्याकडे कसं बघतो?
आय थिंक मुख्यमंत्री बोलले त्यांच्याशी. आय थिंक CM will find solutions to it. Whatever the pending grievances were there, and when I was in the opposition also, when we have heard those grievances, we have taken them up time to time. I think CM has been able to solve them amicably. So आता काय त्यांचं आणखी काय खंत आहे ते मला वाटतं मुख्यमंत्री त्याच्यावरची 100%. We will also talk to him. So issues will be resolved.